In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the size of a CTA in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and how to adjust your button size so it looks polished, readable, and on brand. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type HubSpot and open the official HubSpot website. Once you're there, log into your account. If you have access to multiple portals, make sure you're in the right one for the site or campaign you're working on, so you edit the correct assets. After you're in, move your mouse to the left sidebar and find the Marketing section. In that area, look for CTAs. This is where HubSpot keeps your call to action buttons and banners. Click CTAs to open the full list. You'll see all the CTAs available in your account, along with their names and statuses, which makes it easier to pick the right one. Choose the specific CTA whose size you want to change, then click Edit. This opens the CTA Editor, where you can adjust how it looks and behaves. Give the editor a second to load so you can see the live preview alongside the settings. Next, click on Styles. The Styles panel controls the visual appearance of your CTA, including colors, borders, spacing, and typography. Within Styles, select Text. This is where you'll find the controls that influence how large your CTA appears, since text size and padding are what make a button feel bigger or smaller. Now, use the up and down arrows to adjust the size. As you click, keep an eye on the preview so you can see the change in real time. Small increments usually work best for fine-tuning. If your branding calls for a bold, high-visibility button, go a bit larger. If your layout is dense, scale it back so it doesn't overpower the page. A quick tip: aim for a size that's easy to tap on mobile devices and passes basic accessibility checks, meaning legible text with enough contrast and space around it. The great part is that HubSpot will automatically save your changes. You'll see a saved indicator appear, confirming your updates are stored without needing to hunt for a save button. If you make a change you don't like, simply click the arrows to return to your previous size. That's it. You've adjusted your CTA size in HubSpot using the styles and text settings, and your changes have been saved automatically. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps anytime you want to refine the look and feel of your CTAs.